Once again, welcome to Quiet Automations. In this video, I am going to demonstrate a bot that will extract data from large amount of PDF documents and save it in an Excel file. So let's open that sample PDF files. You have to place all your PDF documents in a single folder so that the bot can go through each and every PDF document inside that folder. We have 5 sample documents and each of them is an invoice generated. To test this bot, we are going to extract the SAM, which is the to field, and the total amount, which is the $70 in this document, and the date of that invoice. We are going to extract these 3 data from each and every PDF document. Each and every PDF document has a different values. So let's get into the UiPath bot environment. So let's run this bot. Once you run that, it will ask you to select the folder where you kept all your PDF documents. Okay. And once you select that folder, it start processing. Okay, it's processed all those PDF documents. Here you can see that PDF data extract execution started and the PDF data extract execution ended in just 15 milliseconds. It takes just 15 milliseconds to process all those 5 PDF documents, and it will generate an output file. Let's open that. We now clearly see that all the data are extracted without any error. So let's check with the PDF documents. Okay, the first data generated is SAM and 3/13/2019 and total amount of $70. Let's check with the PDF document, and it clearly shows that SAM and 3/13 and $70. Let's check the second document. Here it shows to Joseph and $46 and 3/13/2019. If you check with that Excel sheet, here it shows Joseph 3/13 and $46. Okay, let's check with the third document. Wilson 3/13 and $56. Wilson 3/13 and $56. So likewise, we can extract data from any number of PDF documents. So that's all, guys. If you have any queries, just comment it below. Thanks for watching. Feel free to contact us. Thank you.